Popularly Player X, Sinhala music player, is an app developed in Sri Lanka, designed for Android devices, supporting the Sinhala language. It functions as both a music player and a DJ mixer. The app offers a variety of features for listening to, editing, and customizing music. Key features: volume booster, increases volume beyond the default level of the device. Bass booster, enhances the bass, low-frequency sounds of the music. DJ mixer and beat maker, tools for automatically mixing music and creating beats. Drum pads and launch pads. Add live sound effects and custom beats to your music. ** recording functionality. * record audio while mixing or creating beats. Equalizer with presets. Customize your audio using various sound presets. Offline playback. Listen to music without an internet connection. Background play. Play music in the background while using other apps. Info. Downloads. Over 100,000 on the Google Play Store. Feedback. Highly rated by users for listening and music creation features. Last updated August 6, 2025. Developer, created by Player X Apps. Important notes. Phone number and charges. To access all features, users may be required to enter their phone number. After entering, users may receive an SMS notification and be charged a monthly fee, e.g. 280 Sri Lankan rupees. This charge may occur without prior warning. App usage. Before using all features of the app, it is important to carefully read the pricing and legal terms associated with the app. Before using this app, it is highly recommended to read all terms, charges, and conditions carefully. This app can be useful for listening to and creating music, and you can use it according to your needs.